What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melody Nelema from Kenya, Africa, and today I want to prepare something very simple. And let me just show you cabbage. So I'm preparing this simple cabbage here, and I'll have it with some rice and these avocados. So let me just get my ingredients here, and let's do this. Guys, thank you so much for always watching my video, and if you've not subscribed, kindly do so. And let's keep the energy. Your girl is back like never before. So let's do this. So I really don't like cutting the cabbage like the whole it is, like this. I just love removing one leaf by the other, because I can imagine how they can keep such crazy insects insects inside here. So let me just remove them one by one like this. Then I start cutting. I wash, then I cut, because I really don't like cutting a whole cabbage. Yes, I'm cooking yummy, mommy. And don't disturb mommy while she's shooting. Okay, mama? Be a good girl. Okay? Be a good girl. So I'm just cutting the cabbages. You can see. So let me know, how do you prepare cabbages? So I'm just cutting kind of big sizes, because the cabbage is very soft and I want it to remain crunchy. So you see, big sizes. Just like that. Quickly. This is a very quick lunch that I'm preparing. It's the weekend. I don't feel like cooking too complicated meals, because I'm kind of exhausted. So let's cook our cabbage. So I'll be having cabbage and white rice. Anyway, it's kind of boring. White rice is kind of boring, but this is what we'll be having today. And cabbage. So I want to grate my carrots and just add in my cabbage, just to spice up the color. Everything will not be all white. So we just need to spice up our food, at least to look tasty and delicious. So that's why I want to add some carrots, grate some carrots in my cabbage. What do you want, mommy? I can see you. Go and play. Go and play. Go and dance. Go and dance, mama. So let me just grate my carrots quickly. It's a very quick lunch preparation. So as I told you, I've already cooked my rice. It was so easy, just boiling water, adding some salt and a little bit of oil, then rice. Within 20 minutes it was ready. So I just want to prepare my cabbage over here, just like that. Make sure you give this video a like, guys. You subscribe as we enjoy cooking. So I find some people, like my sister, she really loves adding margarine or butter in my cabbages, but for me it's so I'm done with my carrots. So let me just prepare the green pepper and an onion here. And I really love my cabbage to have green pepper, so let me just cut my onions like that. So I really prefer the green pepper. I would love to use the red pepper, but because of the chili one, but because of my girl, I'll just use the green pepper to prepare this. So I'm not cutting, not really small pieces. I'm just using the medium ones. So let's prepare our cabbage. So for the cabbages, I really love quite a lot of oil because I want to retain that crunchy taste of the cabbage. Yeah. So my oil, I think it's hot. It's really hot, but let's add our onions. What, Niraya? What do you want? Okay, thank you. Yes, mommy is cooking. Yummy. No, it's hot here. Moto. What are we cooking? Say cabbage. Say cabbage. Say cabbage. See the way your hands are dirty. You've been eating avocado. So I want everything to be crunchy. So right now I just add my green pepper. Yes, it's yummy, mommy. Yummy. So our green pepper and tomatoes are ready. So let me just add my. As I told you, I didn't want to overcook everything. Let me just add my cabbage. Niraya, move. Don't just here, mommy. Please, move. Look at that, guys. My girl wants to help me to cook. She wants to start. Yes. Yummy cabbage. So let me know how to prepare the cabbage. For me, I like it simple like this. Yeah. I don't really eat cabbages. I rarely do. When I have, I'm not saying cabbage is not good. Cabbage is very healthy, very delicious. But for me, it's not my favorite vegetable. But the good thing with cabbage, you can have it with rice, beans, you can have it with kibiri or common meat. Like, it's really good, no? It's quite good to be accompanied by every meal. Hey, mommy, I'm talking, you are talking. What do you want? Okay, start a little bit. Good girl. Wow, Niraya knows how to cook. Okay, can I have it now? Can I have it? Can I have it now? Good girl, thank you. Now you don't want to give me. Let's add curry powder as Niraya is stirring. This is my favorite Kenyan spice, by the way. Just to add up some taste in my cabbage. So that is so simple, easy. My cabbage is almost ready. Yes, yummy. Wow, yummy cabbages. Look at that. You want some? It's hot. Moto. Yummy. Ebu dance for yummy. Dance for yummy. 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 One crop, one sock. Who is the other shoes, mommy? Who is the other shoe? When you grow up, do you want to be a chief chef? Wow. Let's serve our meal now. We go and eat. Sindio, mommy? Okay. So this is my white rice that we'll be having with our cabbage and avocados. Yep. So rice is not rice without avocado. Okay. Okay, let me serve you food. Oh my goodness. It's so funny. I forgot to add salt here. Let me just add some salt. Mommy Chronicles. Oh my goodness. Baby. Okay, let's add some salt before we serve. What is it, Mama? Okay. A baby. Okay. Okay, a baby. You want me to carry you now because you are crying? Eh? You are crying. I think that one is enough. Cooking with babies is quite confusing sometimes. Okay, stand here. I do the mixing here before I serve my food. By the way, adding salt I commonly forget. I don't know why. Anyway. Okay, here. Then we add our... No, I think it's enough here. Look at that. Very yummy. Look at that. Very yummy. Just serving my cabbage. Mommy, I'm serving you food, okay? So this, my girl will have with some milk. For me, I'm going to eat that way. Yep. Okay, baby. Look at my meal now. Ah, this combo really slaps. Yo. Look at that. Very simple, yummy, delicious meal for lunch. You know? So if you feel like you don't want to do complicated things for lunch and you are tired like me, you can just do this, because with kids, it's a must to have to cook. For me, it's a must to have to cook, and I have my daughter here. So this is what I've prepared for lunch, and this is what we'll be having. And my girl loves avocado more than anything else. What is it, mommy? Okay, stand here a little bit. She doesn't want to. She wants me to carry her through. Okay, let's go and have our meal, mommy. No, not playing with the knife. Okay, this one is bad. Not playing with the knife. So let's go and have our meal, guys. So this is my daughter's delicious yummy meal. I'm just adding some milk to act as soup. Yes, like that. I've mixed everything together. So let's go and eat, mommy. Okay? What are you eating, mommy? No, don't touch my food. Tell people thank you so much for watching today's video. Neraya. Okay, guys, let's allow us please to enjoy the food, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye. Neraya, who put your shoe on the seat? Really, baby? Okay, bye, guys. He's saying it's hot. Bye bye.